Okay, 15 minutes has been up. So, let's see. I'm just going to push it on there. Now, how am I going to keep that tight? And you know what I thought of doing? I've got some masking tape, and I also got some little bits of rope. Some string I found in Mother's drawer. I want to cut some of that. Let's just see. Oh, come on. Good grief. It's not cutting. Alright, got my 10 snips out. Let's just see what I can do here. I'm going to tie it up like a Christmas present. If I can. Now's the time I need 2 people. Okay. Good. We'll get it this way. We'll get it this way. Okay. And I can even get this little bit right there. Possibly. Come on. A little bit different than Christmas wrapping bows, right? Okay. All right. Da-da-da. Now I'm just going to let that sit for a while. And is it going to work? Pretty sure it's going to work. Okay, let's take our other one over here. See, I put that in the middle so it wouldn't get sticky. And I'm just going to press that down. And I have a feeling this stuff is going to work, but again, you've got to keep some pressure on it for a while, you know? So, do I want to put string on that one? Let's try something else out this time. Let's try some tape. I'm not going to leave the tape on very long, so it's not going to hurt the leather. If I had duct tape, would I use it? Probably not. That stuff is kind of sticky. And I can tell this masking tape hasn't been used for a while, but that's all right. Yeah. So I could put one right across there too. And I'm just going to leave that on for a few hours, probably. Yeah. Not going to hurt anything, right? I'd rather have it on there than not have it on there. Okay, that's just going to keep everything on there tight. I'm going to push on there one more time. And I have a feeling this stuff's gonna work. I didn't want to throw those shoes away. Like I said, they probably cost me $50 to $75 per pair to get replaced. And what was that stuff I used? I used one little container of this. And it's from Super Glue, the original Super Glue. Don't let that kid you, $1.25. That's because it was at the dollar store. If you find this at the hardware store, it's going to cost more than $1.25. And it's called Fix-All. Fix-All adhesive from Super Glue. Flexible bond, bonds and repairs, waterproof, permanent. Works on leather, fabric, paper, ceramic, metal, wood, plastic, and more. Read the directions on here. There's certain things that it will not repair. Certain things it will repair. Okay? Well, that's it for this time. Well, I should have tried this a few months ago, but I didn't. I tried the hot glue gun at Mother's house, and that didn't work, so I thought I better find a different way. Well, I'll see you next time on the next video. Thanks for joining me.